first bag, or filter bag. And as you can see, the very last one will be what it should look like initially. These are the different stages as it gets less and less particulate and a smaller micron. This is where we're getting towards the end of polishing the tank. As you can see, very little in there at that point. And here is the final, down to 1 micron. And this is a bag that has not been used. This is a reference, so you can see the difference. So there is the first sample. You can see all the particulate in the bottom there. That's what we're there to get out. Okay, so here is what the same tank, same fuel looks like when we're complete our job. Now, these are the different clear and bright.